If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. Sandwiches are very common. People make sandwiches for breakfast, tea time, and even pack for lunch boxes. So why not make chicken sandwich, and that too restaurant style? It's chicken club sandwich. This is known as club sandwich because in older times these sandwiches were served in restaurants and clubs. But after today's video, you can make these delicious restaurant style club sandwiches at home.
Please note the ingredients needed to make chicken club sandwich. List is also given in description below. There are more sandwiches for you to check. Links in description. So let's start with today's sandwich. First, we will take bread slices and toast them on a pan or a skillet. Use or do not use oil is your choice. If you want to remove the sides or the edges of the bread, then please check out this garlic bread recipe that is made with leftover bread edges. It gets ready in just 2 minutes. Here, take mayonnaise and to it add in ketchup or tomato sauce. Mix well. In this mixture, add in the grilled or tandoori or roasted chicken that I have shredded. Also add in fresh black pepper powder or taza kali mirchi powder. If you want, you may add salt here to your taste. Mix well. This is our sandwich filling. In a pan, heat oil or tel and crack an egg or anda and fry it like this on medium heat. It should be soft and not hard. Flip and cook from both the sides, but it should have a soft center. Now let's start the making of sandwich. Everything is ready. Bread toast, eggs, chicken mixture, butter or makhan, tomato or tomato slices. First we will apply some butter or makhan on the toasted bread. Over it, put the chicken mixture. Fried egg over this chicken. Over the egg, if you want, tomato or tomato and other butter toast. Now close it and the sandwich is ready. Enjoy this delicious sandwich in under 5 minutes. Have it with or without tomato, your choice. If desired, lettuce or salad ke patte can also be added to this sandwich. Serve this sandwich warm or cold, your choice. These pair up well with a cup of tea or coffee, or even when you are not in a mood to make full-fledged meal but you want something filling and tasty. Thanks for watching.